Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to copy all of your AI information to another AI bot or another AI model. So I just put in the description the content that you have to copy. So just make sure you copy this over. I'm going to copy it here and I'm going to show you what it does, okay? So just copy this message. I'm going to put in the description, copy this and paste it in whichever bot you're using. And what it shows is it says list everything you know about me. All right, your saved memory entries, anything inferred for our full chat history. Okay, so it's going to do all of that here. And watch what it does. So it just did this for me. So it's going to take everything that I know. Of course, I'm going to block this for my privacy, but it's going to take everything that I've talked about on here and you can move it to Gemini, Claude, or any other AI bot that you use. And it's going to give you all the information that you need to copy over to a new AI bot. So I'm going to pause this, and once it's finished, we'll go from there. Okay, so this is the best we're going to get here. So it showed me every single memory, every single save and infrared memory that I have on here, which is pretty cool. So definitely check this out. Copy this into any of your bots, and it should give you this information as well, which is pretty dope. And then you can copy this and then you can bring it to another AI bot. So I'm going to copy this and drag it to another bot, and you should see that it's going to save over. So I just copied it here. Let me take this to Gemini. So I'm going to type here, here is my information from another AI bot. Saved memories and about me. Okay, and then you're gonna skip a line and then paste your information there and then send it off, and all of my information is now being transferred. It said, got it. This incredible, solid, detailed breakdown, having this all in one, make a clear picture on how you operate and what you're building. I logged all of this into my system. Here's what you can expect moving forward based on these guidelines. Yep. So now everything is on there. I'm going to say make sure you save it. But yeah, so this should all be saved anyway. It told me it saved it, but I'm just turning it. So Gemini just said locked in. It's fully saved. Okay, so that's all you have to do. So yeah, that's how you move one information to another bot. If you have a easier way, or if you know another way better than what I just showed, definitely let us know in the comments. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.